Hello everyone, today I'm going to tell you a story about a red beak bird. One day there was a red beak bird and he was very lonely and sad because he didn't have any friend. One day he was sitting sad when he saw an egg that he had laid. The egg cracked and out popped his baby. He was not lonely again ever after. One day another red beak bird came towards the red beak bird. It was his grandpa. His grandpa said, "Let's go out for a walk." Then Grandpa's grandson said, "Wait, I want to go out with my baby." "Okay," said his grandpa. They went to walk in the garden. There they saw some dogs and some people, and it was starting to rain. The red beak birds saw a rainbow and lots of flowers and 3 trees and little bit rain and sun that makes a rainbow. The red beak birds started flying and they saw a rainbow and rain and sun and beautiful flowers and beautiful trees. And they also saw a ladybird. It was walking on a leaf. They also saw a beautiful butterfly, and it had beautiful wings. They met their friend Stickman and they saw 2 spiders and lots of beautiful leaves and a blue car and a swing. That's what they saw. The baby really liked the garden, so they decided to live in garden forever. Bird feel very happy when he saw smiling sun. Hope you like this story. I'll tell you another one tomorrow. Bye.